It's just
Okay, all the parts are almost done from the printer. You want to go and clean out all your holes with the drill bit and your motor holes and the holes here for where all the boards will hook up. And in his description he talks about these two receivers here, the D4R2, which does not have S-bus, so you'd have to hook it up CPPM, and then the X4R, and that's the one I'm going to go with, I think. It has S-bus and telemetry, but then I have the XSR, and it has smart port, so I'm pretty sure I can do about the same thing, and it should be a lighter package. So that's most likely the way I'm going to go. We'll see. And alright, and then on the power distribution, he recommends this brand, but I didn't luck out and receive one that's the right size. This one's too big. It's the mini. So I did get this one in, and I want to open it up, so I thought I better do a video and see what's in there. See if it will work out for us. It's the Maker Fire 5-in-1. So let's see what's inside here. And it's going to be too big too, so may have to wait until we receive one that fits. That's just going to be too big. Or I may see if I can just raise it up enough out of the well and use it. So that might be another option. But this thing has a buzzer on it and all kinds of stuff on there. I hadn't really read up on it too much yet. So anyway, I'll get to doing some more research on these parts and figure out which ones I'm going to use. I think I'm going to go with this guy for the 5.8 gig. And here's the camera, one we're all familiar with. And we'll see you at the next video.
it's just one of those days.